There comes a moment when you stop shrinking to fit into places you've outgrown. It's not a sudden earthquake, but a quiet, internal shift. A realization that the walls you once saw as shelter have become a cage. You notice the ceiling is a little too low, the air a little too thin. This space, this role, this relationship, it was once a perfect fit, but you've expanded, and it has not. For years, many of us learned the art of apology. We say sorry for our silence in a world that demands noise, mistaking our introspection for indifference. We apologize for our passion, dimming the very fire that fuels us because its heat makes others uncomfortable. We are told our emotions are too much, so we build dams to hold back the rivers inside us. We learn to downplay our ambition, to speak of our dreams in whispers, lest they sound like a threat. We contort ourselves to fit into boxes built by other people's comfort, by their expectations, by their fears. But the day you stop apologizing for the space you occupy is the day you truly begin to live. It's the moment you give your quiet thoughts a voice, your creative impulses a canvas, your career goals a runway. You start attracting people who are drawn to your authenticity, not a curated version of you. They aren't looking for someone smaller, they are looking for someone real. They see your value, not your volume. You don't need to lower your light for those who are afraid of its brightness. Let it shine. The right people won't just tolerate your light, they will bask in it. They will be the ones who hand you a brighter bulb. When you honor who you are, in your work, your love, and your art, life honors you back. Opportunities appear not as tests to pass, but as invitations to be more of yourself. So take a breath, stand on your stage, whatever it may be. Say it gently or boldly, but say it. Let the words settle in your own heart first. I am allowed to exist fully and completely. No apology needed.
Inspire yourself. Follow for daily motivation.